So what's Ubiflex Finio's secret? Here's the thing. When you overlap two pieces of Ubiflex Finio, vulcanization occurs on the adhesive side. The molecules fuse together when they come into contact with one another. This makes your roof finish watertight. The vulcanizing property allows you to extend the strips indefinitely. An overlap of 5 cm is sufficient. Ubiflex Finio fuses together when you overlap one strip with another strip. This assures you of a watertight connection for many years to come. This is ideal for repair. If any damage occurs while working on the roof, simply stick a piece of Ubiflex Finio over it. You can do this without pre-treatment. You don't have to depend on good weather to install it. You can even work on it in the winter. The butyl adhesive layer is so strong that it even sticks to damp surfaces.